Hi everyone, this is Meir. This Wednesday, or this coming Wednesday, I'll be speaking about the plasticity of the brain. I love the topic because that's exactly what I'm working with all these years. You see, I started my work before I was 17. This Saturday, tomorrow, I'm becoming 65. And beside the fact that it saves some money from Medicare, I'm so happy to be as healthy as I am. Today I was bathing in the ocean that so many people are afraid to even touch for a long time because it's a beautiful warm day, and I hope to do the same tomorrow. But the most important thing is to understand a few things. We hear again and again how much we need to succumb to our conditions. Just now I worked on a wonderful man who was taught to walk with a cane and to succumb to his condition. At the same time, a small part of his field of vision sees very well. So he feels that he's in the dark. He doesn't know how to not fall, how to see every object which is in front of him. And that's exactly what I worked with him today. To look at objects he normally doesn't see. And to activate one eye of his, which is completely blind, except we discovered it sees light. Most of the time, not all of the time, when he looks at that light, he sees better with both eyes. And the question is why? And the answer is the brain starts the direction of expansion. The load of looking through a very narrow space have been alleviated. And when he looked at different objects, he could see everything better and with a bigger field. I have my nostalgia with Denise. She was a top A dentist, a professor of dentistry. She was proud that 600 kids under her care have no cavity. She teaches them hygiene. She teaches them flossing. And she had an accident when she was on a vacation, and her head was crushed by a truck that was driving with no lights on the freeway. And that crush was so hard on her. Her head was broken, and with good surgeries, it looked more normal. But her right eye became completely blind, and her left eye could see basically fingers and not letters. So we worked intensively, first in Brazil, then she came to San Francisco to work with me, and her wonderful husband, who is himself a surgeon, an oral surgeon, worked with me beautifully on her. And after working for a while, she was able to read big signs. Her brain woke up, even though her right eye was so damaged that it shouldn't even see light. We were able to see light and later shadows with it. Even though her left eye was so damaged that she could see only fingers, she improved so greatly that one day she told me, Meir, you gave me my life back. I'm driving now. I'm driving to the university. I teach in school, and I'm back with my kids. Can you imagine dentistry? And without any special instrument, she is functioning normal. Why? Because her brain woke up. And so we need to know that a lot of our vision is a result of what the brain is doing with it. A lot of our movement is a result of what the brain is doing with it. Come to my lecture next week. After that, I'm going to Germany to teach in a conference of natural vision improvement, and then to teach a workshop in an organization which is called Frankfurter Ring. Then I'm traveling to Italy to teach there. And then I'm traveling to Spain to teach a class for teachers of natural vision improvement and a class for visually handicapped people. Then I go to Greece to be on TV and to work with clients. And then I go to Israel to teach in northern Israel in a city called Tzfat. I'll be back here on November 23rd. But come this week to see me in the Opera Plaza, which is my last lecture in San Francisco before I'm going on my trip. And I wish to all of you a very, very happy fall and then a good winter. We have so much we're going to do in the winter. I will talk to you soon. Your good friend Meir.